Turkish and Pakistani Land Force Main Battle Tanks. Turkish Land Force Main Battle Tanks. Alti, number in service, 10, Turkish Land Force. Leopard 1, number in service, 397, Turkish Land Force. Leopard 2, number in service, 342, Turkish Land Force. M48, Patton, number in service, 758, Turkish Land Force. M60, Patton, number in service, 1532, Turkish Land Force. FNSS Kaplan, number in service, 6, Turkish Land Force. Pakistani Land Force Main Battle Tanks. Al-Khalid, number in service, 500, Pakistan Land Force. Al-Khalid 1, number in service, 120, Pakistan Land Force. BT4, number in service, 170, Pakistan Land Force. Al-Zarar, number in service, 710, Pakistan Land Force. Type 85, number in service, 300, Pakistan Land Force. Type 69, number in service, 160, Pakistan Land Force. Type 59, number in service, 400, Pakistan Land Force. T80UDMBT, number in service, 340, Pakistan Land Force. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel, share this video, like this video and comment.